In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted database in Hostinger. This is an essential skill to have in your toolkit, especially if you've ever found yourself in the unfortunate position of losing valuable data. Fortunately, Hostinger makes the process straightforward and efficient, and I'm here to walk you through every step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Hostinger panel. Once you're logged into your account, locate and click on the Websites section. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Find the website you need to manage, and once you've located it, click the Manage button next to it. This will open up the Management dashboard, where you can control various aspects of your website's functionalities. Now, direct your attention to the Files area of the dashboard. This is where the magic happens when it comes to restoring your data. Click on Files, and you'll come across the option labeled Restore Website under the Manage Backups section. This feature is incredibly useful for retrieving lost information, allowing you to bring your website back to a previous state with minimal fuss. At this stage, you will need to choose a date to restore your content from. Hostinger provides a range of backup dates, so take a moment to consider which point in time would best suit your needs. Once you've selected the appropriate date, hit Next to continue. In the next step, you will see a list of files associated with your website. It's important to tick the box next to the files you wish to restore. If you only need specific files retrieved, make sure only those are selected. This ensures that you maintain control over exactly what data is coming back onto your website without overriding important updates you might have made since the backup date. Finally, once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Download. This will initiate the process of retrieving your chosen files from the backup, restoring them to your website. Depending on the size of the files, this might take a little time, so it's a good moment to sit back and let Hostinger do its thing. And there you have it. Your database with the essential files you've selected will be restored to your desired point in time. This process not only reinforces the importance of regular backups, but also highlights how straightforward restoring your data can be with the right tools and guidance. Remember to check your freshly restored database to ensure everything is back in order. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you confidently tackle any database restoration needs in Hostinger.